to make a speech. Let's make welcome His Excellency, Chief Barrister, Ezenwoye so Wike in getting band. That band go first sing for you. As he they pain them, he go they sweet us. As he they sweet them, he go they... If that one not do, he go here. How many then they? How many then they? Why we no go win them? Amen. If our governor waka small, come, no say no wahala. Anything we make them as they introduce her, he don't reach the podium, no say he go trend the next morning. First and foremost, the governor cannot come, hold microphone, but he no tap am. You go face it. He no trust engineer. They go still play and breeze. You can hear something like this. Let me, first and foremost, congratulate the young man who is doing the show. I gathered here this evening because the man who is doing the show is a young man who has been hustling. And for you to have hustled from Owerri, come to Lagos in less than 5 years, you have sold terracotta. That means you are doing very... And somebody who is doing very well want to be celebrated. Not be so? Not be so? Lagos, I know that you people like to have fun. They call you people one you people like enjoyment. If it's in Port Harcourt by this time, some people are already in their house. But you people will not leave. I like it. Lagos is one place that I've told my friend, the governor, that I will continue to visit him because he's a good man and he's doing well. They will come leave show where they talk about to go come move to politics. The only problem I have is they are dragging political position with me, and I've told them that anywhere they go to, I will win them. I'm not going to win there. They know me. I've told them I know they fear anybody. I know they fear any, because I will die when God say I will. So let them be dragging me. I will be dragging. One day we'll win. But whatever it is, we are dragging it within the South. That's why they say I'm fighting with the president. I say no, I'm not fighting with the president. The only problem I have is you can't come to the Niger Delta. You take what belongs to us. You say it's VAT. You take it back. These people will be taking more than us. Meanwhile, we are the ones producing. Is it done anywhere? It's not done anywhere. So let them know how to do it. But whatever you do, melembe. Because if it didn't, they to fly over for you.